Hello, my dear friends, and welcome back to our beautiful space where we learn English with love and happiness. I am so happy to see you here today. Thank you for coming. Thank you for choosing to spend your precious time with me. Today, I have prepared a very special story for you. This story is full of emotions, surprises, feelings, and a little miracle too. I promise you it will touch your heart. You will feel every moment with me. You will smile, maybe feel a little sad, but at the end your heart will be warm and full of hope. Because in life, sometimes when something bad happens, it is just the beginning of something beautiful. So sit back, relax, and let's enjoy this journey together. I am here with you. I am your friend. And today, we will travel into a world of magic, love, and small miracles. Before we start, let me explain a small but powerful method that we will use today. It is called the shadowing technique. Shadowing means you will listen carefully to me and then you will repeat after me, just like a shadow follows you when you walk in the sun. It's very simple. It's very fun. When I speak, you copy me. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be fast. You just have to enjoy. Imagine you are singing with me, like singing a favorite song. When you shadow my words, your English speaking will become natural, smooth, and strong. Even if you make mistakes, it's okay. Mistakes are good. Mistakes are how we grow. So today, be brave, be happy, and speak with me. Don't think too much. Feel the story, feel the words. Let's practice together, my dear friends. Emily Carter was a sweet, kind-hearted young woman who lived in a small, colourful town called Willow Springs. She was 22 years old, full of dreams, and always smiling at everyone she met. Emily lived with her family, her father, Mr. Carter, a school teacher, her mother, Mrs. Carter, who loved baking cookies, and her little brother, Ben, who was only 8 years old and full of energy. Their house was small but full of laughter, love, and the delicious smell of fresh bread every morning. Emily loved her life, but deep inside, she had a big dream. She wanted to travel the world, see new places, meet new people, and create beautiful memories. One sunny morning, something exciting happened. Emily received a letter from her best friend Sophie Miller, who lived in a big city called Maplewood, 3 hours away by train. Sophie was getting married. The wedding was in 2 days, and she wanted Emily to come early and help with the preparations. Emily was thrilled. She packed her bag with her best dresses, a new pair of shoes, and of course her favourite pink diary where she wrote all her dreams. She hugged her mom, dad, and little Ben tightly, promising to bring back lots of stories and maybe even a special gift for everyone. The next morning, Emily woke up early. The sun was shining, birds were singing, and everything felt perfect. She put on her blue jeans, her favourite yellow sweater, and tied her hair in a neat ponytail. She checked her bag once again, clothes, diary, gifts. Yes, everything was there. She took her train ticket from the table and placed it carefully in her small brown purse. "Don't forget the ticket," her mother called from the kitchen, smiling. Emily laughed and waved, feeling light and happy. At the Willow Springs train station, everything was busy and colourful. People were moving around, hugging each other, drinking coffee and pulling heavy suitcases. Emily looked around with excitement. It felt like a movie scene. She found a small bench near platform number 3 and sat down. She opened her purse to check her ticket once again. But the ticket was not there. Her heart jumped. She checked again. Nothing. She emptied the purse, lipstick, diary, handkerchief, but no ticket. Panic rose inside her like a wave. She remembered placing it in the purse, she was sure. But now it was gone. The train whistled loudly. It was arriving. Emily looked at the big clock. She had only 5 minutes left. She ran to the ticket counter. The line was long. She explained her situation to the man at the counter, but he shook his head kindly. "I'm sorry, miss. You must buy a new ticket." Emily opened her wallet. She had only $20 left, enough for coffee and a small gift, but not enough for a new ticket. Tears filled her eyes. She watched the train doors open and close. People were getting in. She stood there, frozen, feeling small and helpless. And then, the train left without her. Emily sat on the bench again, her heart heavy. She had missed the train. She missed the chance to be with Sophie. She missed the excitement. She missed everything. She felt so alone. But sometimes when you think everything is lost, life surprises you. A gentle voice broke her sadness. "Excuse me, are you all right?" Emily looked up. A young man, maybe 25 years old, stood there holding a backpack and a friendly smile. His name was Daniel Foster. He had kind brown eyes and a peaceful voice. Emily quickly wiped her tears and smiled weakly. "I lost my train ticket," she said softly. Daniel listened patiently. Then, without hesitation, he said, "You know what? I have an extra ticket. My friend was supposed to come with me, but he cancelled this morning. You can have his ticket, no problem." Emily's eyes widened. "Really? Are you serious?" she asked. Daniel nodded, smiling. "Of course, it's better you use it than waste it." Emily could not believe it. A miracle. A stranger, kind and generous, was helping her without asking anything in return. Together, they waited for the next train. They talked about their families, dreams, and favourite books. Emily told him about Sophie's wedding. Daniel shared that he loved photography and wanted to travel around the world. Time passed quickly. It felt like they had known each other forever. When the train arrived, they sat together by the window. Outside, the green fields rolled like waves, and the sky was a bright blue. Emily felt happy again. She took out her pink diary and wrote, "Today I missed my train, but found a miracle." When they reached Maplewood, Emily thanked Daniel from the bottom of her heart. They exchanged phone numbers and promised to stay in touch. Emily ran towards Sophie's house with her bag bouncing behind her. The wedding was beautiful, full of music, flowers, and smiles. And guess what? Daniel came to the wedding too. Sophie was so happy to meet the boy who had helped her best friend. After that day, Emily and Daniel became very good friends. They travelled together, laughed together, and made many memories. A small lost ticket had opened a big new door in Emily's life. Sometimes miracles are hiding behind small mistakes. So, my dear friends, always remember, when you feel that something bad is happening, maybe it is just life preparing a beautiful surprise for you. Never lose hope, never stop smiling, and always be kind to others, because one small act of kindness can change someone's life forever. Thank you for listening to this story. I hope you enjoyed it. And remember, keep practicing, keep smiling, keep dreaming. I love you all. See you in the next story. Bye-bye.